Thank you.
Got my gut drink, green banana fiber. All right, I'm showing the team how to cook steak. We're over here just for the occasion and for when we do our steak workshop, ready for it. Say hi for the vlog.
Hi. Blur me out.
2020, here we're at. One of the most toxic things that humans can muster and seem to succumb to so easily is entitlement. This idea that we deserve something, someone owes us something, or even worse, this whole marginalized like privilege and underprivilege and all this nonsense we have in our political, it's an overcorrection. Like, yeah, we've had thousands and thousands of years of oppression and the rich controlling the lower classes, and like, yeah, shit's been bad, right? But now we live in the safest, most abundant, most equal country in the world. I mean, obviously, if you're in the US, listen to this. And now we're having this overcorrection where we're making things ridiculous, where people should be expected to use certain pronouns, making up pronouns, where we talk about that if you're a white male, you somehow don't deserve anything you have, or the work you did is gone. Like, it's literally completely and utterly preposterous in so many ways. And all it does is make people feel entitled, and it ruins them. Like, it ruins you. When you think people owe you things, or the government, or anyone, what do? You default to being a victim, and you default to not taking action, and you default to living that way your entire life. You're not going to get anything from life, from society, right? By playing the victim, by thinking people owe you things. You're not going to. So all you're going to do is you're going to wallow in this despair and basically make excuses for yourself of why it's other people's fault for your life and the way it is, instead of taking responsibility and taking action and using the opportunities around you to get whatever you want in your life. That is a huge disservice that I see a lot of this social justice warrior BS and a lot of this privileged talk, which means nothing, basically. Like, it's a major disservice. And it's a disservice to the people that need to take extreme ownership and take responsibility the most. That's just my thought of the day, I guess. I don't know. I don't really know what prompted that.